Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. So today I'm going to be unboxing this. This is a bit of a Grail watch for me. This is a watch I've looked at for a little while. It's still an affordable watch. It's under the channel limit of £200, $200. I've kept my eye on it for a little while and I finally got round to ordering it. So let's take a look. So it's the SEIKO SSB401P1. You would have seen it, no doubt, on the thumbnail, but this is the box, beautifully sealed up in a plastic bag. Now, I got this from Amazon. Now, this does vary in price a little bit, so it can swing from 150 up to about 200. I sort of got it midway for that, so there we go. Nice SEIKO little white box. Oh, he says, can't quite get it off. European guarantee. I must admit, I don't know what the guarantee is. I'm assuming it's 2 years, but I don't know. Guarantee card here. Certificate of guarantee. Brilliant. Very nice indeed. Instructions. You can see it's a quartz. It's not a solar as well. If you followed the channel for a while, you'll know I do like a solar watch. Right, how do we do this? Oh, and there we go. And here it is. They always seem to have fallen over in the box. Doesn't help for a good unboxing. And this is the watch. Now, the reason I went with this particular one, now there are a couple of other versions of this. There is a blue and red version. I've seen a green version, and I've also seen a braceleted version with the same watch. If I get a chance, I will put those up on screen. But this is the watch. I went with the grey. Again, if you follow the channel, you know I love a good NATO strap. So it comes on this really nice grey and black NATO. I just thought it was a little different. And one of the things I just loved about this dial was there was just so many facets to it, so many different levels. Now, it's not a big watch, 41mm, 10mm thick, stainless steel build. Yes, it's a quartz, it's not a mechanical, but I just think it looks really good. A nice chrono as well. Was a little stiff. Oh, there we go. So the larger hand is the second hand. Mineral crystal. And it's just a watch that I've looked at for a long time. It's a bit different. Again, just because of what's on that dial. See how close I can get it. I haven't got my macro lens on, but date down there just at the sort of 4:30. Seconds hand at the 6 sub dial. 12:24 on the right, and then the other chrono minute hand on there. Yeah, brilliant. Really nice. As I say, let me sort of pop this off here. Oh, he's not doing a good job on that, is he? And there we go. SSB401P1. Hardlex crystal, 100 meters worth of water resistance. Now, the NATO feels really quite thick, so it's going to be a little stiff to begin with, I think. It's brushed on the side, polished back. And I say, that dial is just lots of different things going on that dial. I'll save all that for the full review, as I say. But yeah, this is one of mine. Let's just try it quickly on wrist. Take a second to throw this on. Please say the NATO is long enough. Has been a problem in the past in other watches. Oh, it's only just about not the longest NATO in the world. But there we go. Yeah, been a Grail watch of mine for a while. I'm going to wear this now, try and get the review out soon. Thanks to everybody that's liked, subscribed and commented recently. I've got lots of videos lined up. This is kind of a little bit of a bonus one because this has turned up. I will be dropping another video as early as tomorrow on another review. So make sure you subscribe to see that and all the others. Thanks ever so much. See you next time. Bye.